Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I'm so excited to finally be able to reveal the new and improved Nstyle box, which is my subscription box to you, so please stay tuned. Okay friends, let's talk about the beautiful Nstyle box. It has not changed. I've kept the same design because so many of you are using these boxes in your home to organize, and I love that. And a lot of you have ordered the box alone because you are using it to organize your closets and cabinets and things like that. I did not want to put anything shredded in there. I thought that from the last box, that is one of the things I like least, is you opening a box and having all of this shredded paper. I thought it was messy, and I'm sorry about that, and I made the change. Now you're going to have one solid foam insert, and it's customized. It's customized to the items in the box. It has the slits so that it can protect the items and so that you do not have to deal with a mess. I want to share a quick tip on what you can do with your Nstyle box after you use all of the contents. I love using it to store my china. I simply put a metal adhesive tab on it, label it appropriately, and it's great to put all of those bowls and plates and all of the china that you don't use every day because it easily stores in your cabinet. And so it's just a fun and neat way to have your cabinets looking great and to have your china protected. Okay friends, one of the first items that is going to be in every box is my candle that was designed by me for you. Can you believe I have the candle line now? I am absolutely in love with this candle. I'm in love with every scent that I have come up with so far, and I can't wait for you to utilize it in your home. And what I loved about it is I was like, you know, a lot of times when we do videos and things like that, you can't smell anything, whether I'm cooking or cleaning, and now you can smell the scents that are actually in my home. I love that. Friends, when I decided to do this, I learned so much from the previous box, and I knew that one, I wanted this box to be all things that I created for you. I knew that I wanted the box to also be something that you could really utilize. Everything in this packaging, everything in this box you'll be able to use. With this, after you burn out this just delicious candle, you can reuse the container. I love that it has the inspirational word on it. If you want to collect them and kind of organize things based off of the definitions, you can do that. It's just so much fun, so much that you can do with these jars. You can use them to organize your desk or your makeup, or just so many different things. And so the packaging was really important also. Not only did I want an exceptional candle, but I wanted the packaging to be there. Now let's talk about the actual candle. I knew when I was going on this journey, I did not want to go with some company that is going to mass produce this or use machines. I wanted someone that was going to be very hands-on. I wanted that company that had a story that resonated with me. I was very hands-on about the process. And I even last week went up to Philadelphia and then we drove to Lancaster, Pennsylvania to meet with the candle company of choice. I fell in love with them after a great search. I looked at so many companies, I smelled so many scents, I went through so much to get to where we are today. And I didn't do it alone. Of course, I had my beautiful team support me all the way. I'm so thankful for them for everything that they did to support my dream and my vision. And I decided to go with Christina Macer. They are a candle company in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Number one, her story resonated with me because she's a wife and she's a mother, and she's just followed her passion and her dream of making her candles. And she started in her kitchen, and now she has all these employees and this beautiful company, and they're really just beautiful people. And so I went up there to make sure that I felt the vibe of who I was doing business with, and to make sure that things were going to be exactly how I envisioned them. And I have to tell you friends, I was not disappointed. They were so gracious and so welcoming. They answered all of my questions, and I had so many questions, and we spent hours just talking about their process for their candles, which you can find their candles in Whole Foods, and then how they brought my vision to life in my candle. And I was able to learn so many just technical things about what is important when making a candle. It is not all about, people think that it's about, you know, putting the wax and essential oils and different things like that into a candle, and there's so much more to think about when you want a quality candle. Christina Master, they're about quality. They're not about mass producing. Friends, your candle that I put together for you is going to be hand poured. It is going to be handmade. It's not going to be anything that a machine is taking care of. I also wanted to be mindful of the scent of the candle. I wanted something that wasn't too strong and wasn't too weak. It had to have that perfect combination. And what I learned from Christina Messer, you know, and because they do that hands-on process with their candle and they pour everything out themselves, they're able to keep that scent consistent through the entire candle because they're keeping that stirring action going. They're making sure that it's having that even pour. So they are taking such care to do that, along with they test every batch. They have to make sure that that batch has that perfect scent, or they get rid of it and they start from scratch. They really have a lot of pride in their business, and I appreciate that. And so that was important for me, and it was important that I go and see that firsthand and be able to ask all of those questions that I definitely asked for you. It was so fun incorporating you into the process of the box because that's what I needed. And I love the fact that I was able to have the girls' night out with 10 of you out there. We had such a great time. We did the paint and sip. I was able to, you know, give you sample scents of the candles, and you could give me your feedback and you could tell me your ideas, and we could have fun and sip wine and paint. It was really such a special night, and I gained so much information. So we were like working and having fun at the same time, which I loved. And I think that it really in the end helped me with my decision-making process. It wasn't like it was just something that, you know, all my thought process, it was something that we worked on together. Now, along with that, I tasked them with something else because not only did I want to put a candle in the box, you all know how I am about my handbags and my scents. Well, I wanted, one thing that I have always found difficult to find is linen sprays that were kind of packaged like our perfume sprays on the go. You know, I'm all about on the go. And so I really wanted to create a linen spray that coordinated, the scents coordinate with each candle of the month, that you could take on the go. You can drop in your purse when you're traveling and you go in the bathroom and it's not so fresh, or you go to that hotel room, or even at work, or you step in your car and you need a refresh. I think it's just perfect. It is a linen spray, and the wonderful thing about it, it has that same inspirational word that's going to be on that candle for each month. And I do want to say that this box is going to go out every month instead of every other month. I do want to put that out there. But what I love about this is you're going to be able to purchase refills. So say one month you're really attracted to one of the scents, you're always going to be able to get that scent in and be able to refill that. So that's what I love about it. And this is just so convenient, and you can get so many uses out of it. I also, again, love that it is reusable. You can screw it off and just kind of put your scent in there and you're good to go. So every month you'll get the candle, you'll get the linen spray, and then you'll get the third item, which is also a Nikki product. I am coming out with my own line of products. Every month you'll get a new product from me, and it's going to relate to home organization, home decor, and it's going to be something that you can use in your home or life that will help kind of organize that part of you. You know, it won't be anything that you can just kind of throw to the side. It's something that you can really get good use out of. It's going to be a surprise every month. So that third item is going to be that kind of mystery. And I love that about it, because that's what a lot of you have told me, is that you needed that mystery. And so I wanted to incorporate that mystery into the box. So the box will contain those three things. You'll get the candle, you'll get the linen spray, and you'll get the mystery gift. So the other thing is that there's two boxes. I have the luxury box, and then I have the secondary box, the second option for you. The luxury box is what I described. It's the candle, the linen spray, and the mystery exciting product from me every month. The second box is an option that you can do. That box will have the candle and the linen spray. And so you have the two options. So I hope that was helpful to everyone, kind of setting that up. Let's talk about the details of the box. One, it's open right now. I'm so excited. You can go to the website now. I'll put the link below. It's going to be open for subscription, so join on to the subscription for this week. So please join in this week. It is capped out initially. So I do have initial cap of numbers that I can take in for the subscription. I wanted things to be set so that we can ensure that shipping was on time, that we had enough product that was ready. And so I did cap out the first number, the first box. So definitely, if you're interested, don't hesitate to go sign up so that I can make sure that you get in on that. One thing from the last Nstyle box that was a concern for many is that you didn't know when you were going to get billed, and the shipping dates did change. And I wanted that to be resolved. So I kept it simple, and every month your box will ship on the first of the month, and every month you will be billed for the box. So everything happens on the first of the month. So I thought that was simple, clean, and keep it easy to remember. Friends, please don't hesitate to click that link below and sign up. Again, I'll have it open for a week, and then I got to get those boxes ready for you and get all of those candles and everything ready for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't hesitate to ask. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a part of the At Home with Nikki family. I can't wait to the first unboxing. I hope you all have a beautiful, beautiful rest of your week. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.